Hi, I'm Johnny Moe, the musical chef, and I'm going to show you how to make slow-cooked turkey pot roast. Turkey is a very lean meat, and it's a great substitute to your everyday beef pot roast. With this recipe, you can cut the fat and still have all the flavor. We're going to use a drumstick and a turkey wing. Great blend of dark and white meat for this dish. We'll start by heating a tablespoon of oil in a hot pan. Generously season the turkey with salt and pepper and place it seasoned side down in a hot pan. Now season the other side with salt and pepper as well. After about 4 to 5 minutes, flip the turkey, making sure it has a nice golden brown texture. This will lock in all those juices when we put it in the slow cooker. Now that our turkey is browned on both sides, let's remove it from the pan and place it in the slow cooker. Now we'll add 1 cup each of rough cut carrots, red onion, celery, and about a half a cup of rosemary and fresh thyme. Top this off with a quart of vegetable stock, just enough to cover the turkey about 3/4 of the way. Now put the lid on the slow cooker and cook on high for 4 to 5 hours. After about 4 or 5 hours, we'll remove this from the slow cooker and put it right into a nice casserole dish. Now we'll gently ladle over all those delicious vegetables and herbs and broth that we cooked this with. With the fresh produce and the fresh herbs, that's what makes this just like what Grandma used to cook.